Namaskar students. In the previous video we have done work on mod. In this video we'll work on median of group data. Previously in class 9th you people have already calculated the median on ungrouped data, arranging them in ascending or descending order, then taking middlemost term, that is the median. But hereby we have to calculate the median of a group data. Formula to be applied: median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. L is lower limit of the median class. How to recognize median class I will tell you. N is the total number of the observations. F is the frequency of median class. CF is the frequency of prior class. CF is the frequency of preceding class. CF, cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Cumulative frequency of preceding class या previous class. That is to be taken in mind. Now we'll solve the question. First of all, in the first question of NCERT, the data is given to calculate mean, median as well as the mode, and we have to compare them all. So before coming on the question, I would like to take the data for you people. The question is, the following distribution, frequency distribution gives monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare it. Monthly consumption in units, that is representing class interval. Number of consumers, that is representing frequency. And CF we have to calculate for the purpose. In this way we'll calculate, first of all we'll get the sum of the number of consumers. So in this way, when we are going to get the number of consumers over here, we'll get 68. Now to find the median class, very important fact is to find the median class. So median class will be what? First of all we would like to calculate n by 2. So when n by 2 is calculated, 68 upon 2, that is 34. Now this 34 is to be checked in CF. Now how to calculate CF? Let's see. CF means sum of the frequencies up to here. Sum of the frequencies up to here means that if we are talking about the first class, so CF is 4 only, because before it there is no class for which frequency is there. So this is 4. But when we are coming to 5, so we'll add these both frequencies. In this way, if I say add them L way, add them in L way. So 9 up to here, for this frequency we'll add all these 3. 22. Will all these 4. 42. We'll all add all the above 5. 56. Then again 8. 64. Then again plus 4. In this way we are getting 68. So the 68 also we can check, the last cumulative frequency is equal to the total number of frequencies, total sum of all the frequencies. So n is got now 68. Now median, if we just try to imagine, if we are putting any observation 4 times, then another observation 5 times, in this way the 13 times and so on. So last observation will be 68th observation. So which one will be middle? 68 upon 2 or 68 upon 2 plus 1 means that at the mid of this, half of this, 68 upon 2, that is C, that is n by 2. So the class containing CF 34 will be median class. Now let's see. If we are talking about class 20, class 3, so up to here, how many observations are taken? 22 is the CF of third class. CF up to third class 22. So up to here there are only 22 observations. Now we have to find 34th observation. We have to find 34th observation. It is not so here. Now come here. So up to here there are 42 observations and we have to get 34th observation. Obviously the 34th observation will be somewhere here in this. Means that this class is to be considered as median class. This class is considered to be median class. So median class is got to be 125 to 145. Now few things are very clear. From here we can get L. L is lower limit of the class 125. H is already 20 everywhere. CF means cumulative frequency of the preceding class, means this is CF. This is CF. F is the frequency of the same class. So this is F. 20 is F. Now calculate median. Median, that is equal to L. L, that is already 125 plus N by 2. N by 2 is calculated by as 34 minus CF. CF means cumulative frequency of the previous class. So we can write here 22 upon F, the frequency of the same class, 20 into H is 20, that of 20. So what we are having, 125 plus 34 minus 22, that is 12 upon 20 into 20, got cancelled. So we are having 137. That is the median of the class. 137. That is the median of the class. For the same question, we have to calculate also mean. To calculate the mean of this data, I am preferring here assumed mean method. So I am considering assumed mean to be 135. Approximately we are interested to take assumed mean, which is at the middlemost, and subtract 135 from every observation, means every x. So first of all I would like to tell how to get x. X is got by adding the lower and upper limits of this and divided by 2. So 65 plus 85 divided by 2 is 75. 85 plus 105 divided by 2 is 95, and so on. From all these x values, I am selected here 135 as the mean, that is assumed. Now we'll subtract 135 from each and every x value, then we will get this data. D, value of D, DI. DI means now difference, deviation. Now what is the next step is multiply F and D. I think 15, 6 and 5 and minus 4 and 5 and minus 40. Its 0 will be already added over here. 13 to the 26. It is coming to be 0. 14 to the 28, again 0. 8 4 ja 32, 0. 4 6 ja 24, 0. Now we'll take sum of negatives together and positives together. In this way we'll get them added. So negative values will be 6 plus 4, that is 10. 1 carry over here. 2 plus 2 plus 2 and 1 7. 700 negative. Now come on this. 8 plus 2 10 plus 4 14 and 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8 840. Now we are going to get sigma FD. So when we will get sigma FD, now we have to work on the last steps, these only. So I think we'll get 140 positive. 140 positive. Now calculate mean. So x mean will be here A plus sigma FD upon sigma F. A is 135 plus sigma FD is got to be 140 upon sigma f is 68. Now it's for you to calculate it and get your answer. Now dividing 140 by 68 will get 2.06, and 135, that was assuming adding the both, will get 137.06 as the mean. Now for the same question I will calculate the mode also. Check the. Now for mode we have to go for model class. So model class is the class which is having the maximum frequency. The maximum frequency is 20. So this class is model class. This class is model class. Now when model class is clear, then we can get F0, F1, H, etc. H is clearly here 20, and F1 is 20, 20 again. F0 is 13 and F2 is 14. H is already known to us. L is also known to us, that is 125. Now we'll get here mod. Mod, that is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F1 into H. So L is 125 clearly, plus F1 means 20 minus F0, that is 13, upon twice of F1 minus F0 minus 14 into H is again 20. Class interval is 20 everywhere. So we can get here 125 plus 20 minus 13, that is 7, into 20 upon 40 minus 27. 13 and 14, that is 27. So 125 plus 140 upon 13. 125 plus 140 upon 13. So we are getting here 125 plus 13 was 13. Again 1 goes there. So we have 0, okay, 10. 0, 10 here, then 7, 13 7 and 6 times. This all. 13 was 13. 1 left here, then 10. Not passing table, that's why we have to add 0. 100. 13 7 91. Then again 9 left, 90. 13 6 78. So all this. So 135 plus 135.76 is the mode. In this way we are able to see the mode is the smallest one. Mean was calculated to be the biggest, and median second one, and mode is the last one. So mean is always here. Why mean is comparison. One person was there to compare. The mean is greater than median is greater than mode. Mean is greater than median is greater than mode for this observation.